When travelers reach your checkout page, the first payment option they see is determined by one setting: the default gateway. In this video, I'll show you how to change it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar and click on Settings. Then click on Payments and select General underneath it. The first thing you'll see is the default gateway dropdown. Click on it to open the list, and you'll see all the available options. One important thing to note: this dropdown only shows the default payment method and payment gateways you've already enabled in the Payment Gateways section below. So scroll down and check the checkbox next to the gateways you want to offer at checkout. Each gateway also has its own dedicated settings page in the left sidebar. To configure them, you need to install and activate the Gateway add-on and just click on the gateway name and fill in the required details. We have a tutorial video on how to set up Stripe. You can find it in the description as well. WP Travel Engine also supports many other payment gateways beyond what you see here, so you can pick the ones that best fit how you run your business. If you need help with a specific gateway, drop a comment below. For this example, let's set PayPal Standard as the default. Click on it from the dropdown, then click Save Settings. Before we preview, you'll also notice the debug mode toggle at the very top of this page. This is useful when you're testing your payment gateway setup. It logs payment gateway errors and transaction details to help you troubleshoot any issues. Once everything is working correctly, make sure to turn it off before going live. Now, when a traveler reaches the checkout page, PayPal Standard will be pre-selected. They can still switch to any other enabled gateway, but PayPal is what they land on by default. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more WP Travel Engine tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below and I'll get back to you. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.